This is a small video to explain our construction industrial table. This is a very heavy duty frame with adjustable threaded attachment for the countertop or for the tabletop, and the top can be adjusted from 36 inches to 45 inches in height. As you see here, the red frame is based off of a scaffold design, a modified scaffold, and will hold thousands of pounds. The tabletop on this unit is 3x7 epoxy coated. As you see here, the saw can be moved with this track and rail, and you can move the saw left, right, wherever you want to, mount different types of machinery, saws, vise, different things like that. You can do a big glue. If you're gluing a counter table together in laminating, you can run more of the struts across that slide in the track on each side and do a big glue adhesion. We're going to also make, if you see here, a front door and drawers on the premium unit. We're going to have 3 drawers or a pull-out tabletop and a surround, so it could be secure your tools on a job site. You'll be able to lock the box. You'll be able to open the door and pull the drawers out. The left side unit, you'll have a really large drawer that'll even take a saw of this size. The right side will have 2 small drawers. So the base table will hold 3,000 pounds.